What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. The weather has gone to shit. I don't know if you can tell, but it is cloudy now. I'm starting to get a few breaks in the clouds, but it got cloudy about 5 o'clock last night. Went down in the 50s, which is great sleeping weather, right? But terrible hay weather. Super heavy dew this morning. So it's like 12:30. I don't know. It's still wet as can be. I came down here, checked it. It's green as shit underneath there. So I don't have a tedder. I need a tedder. We have rain coming. Today's Wednesday, 12:30ish. Did I say that? We have rain coming Friday afternoon through Sunday with flooding, downpours, flash floods. See my last video, you know why that is. I got to get this hay up. I've already spent the diesel and the time to get it cut and raked. So, like I said, I don't have a tedder. So, that's what I'm using right here. It's pretty unconventional. My brush hog. Now, I'm going to tell you, I ain't the guy come up with this idea. I seen this on a forum or something a couple years ago, actually, where guys were actually cutting the side out of their mower, their brush hogs, to do like small amounts of hay. And so it would cut it, but it wouldn't stay in there and chop it. So that's where I came up with this idea of not having a tedder and being able to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position this so that it's low in the back, high in the front, right? So it's just going to kind of like, it's not going to be in there chopping up the hay. It's going to be knocking it out the back. And I'm just going to go and just drive down the windrows, and it's going to spread it, and it's going to kind of beat it up. Like, so this still has the original blades on it from when my father bought this back like in the 80s or 90s. So I've sharpened them a couple times, but I haven't sharpened them in 5-10 years. God, they're dull as can be. If I hit enough rocks around here, I'm not putting new blades on it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to do this field, and I'm going to do the other field. I've already been down here and picked up a big wads of hay that were piled up, green, still green as when I cut it 2 days ago. So they're going to be fed to the goats. But I'm going to spread this, and then I'm just going to leave it lay here till tomorrow. It's supposed to be 87 today. It's like 70 something, no sun, and high humidity. This shit is not going to dry. I am stressed to here to get this in so that I can be done with this hay. So, and you know how I pick it up. I pick it up with my skid steer. So it's not like I can just come through here once it's dry, bale up. This is probably like 5 bales if you were doing around 4x4 round bales and 2 or 3 on that other one. So it's not like I'm going to just whip this up and stick it in the thing. And if you think I should get a baler and a tedder, please DM me and I will give you my Venmo. It's all right. And I found one 30 minutes from here, $3,000 for a Case 530. So there you go. That my tractor will run. So, all right, I'm going to get to work here. I'm done ranting and raving. All you hay experts are going to get on here and go ape shit about seeing me brush hogging this, I'm sure. All right, so it's working pretty good. You can see I'm still leaving a windrow. So I'm just kind of stirring it up. It's not working that bad. So I'm going to put you on time lapse the rest of this field. So. All right, there it is. You can still see the windrows in it. Well, I can anyways. It's probably a terrible angle, but it's there. So's the other one. Now it's all spread out. It's kind of like my angry tedder, but it works. It's really unconventional, but you got to do what you got to do. So I'm going to let this go for the rest of the day, and I don't know. Be out here tomorrow raking and picking this up. So, all right.
All right, here we are again. Freaking steamy weather. Real feels 104 or 107, but at this point, what's 3 degrees? Hope these animals know how much they're loved and cared for. They better think about us all winter long as they're chewing this stuff and choking it down. So, can't push the hay piles on this field. They want to drop down over the bank. It's probably, I don't know, 15, 20 feet up off the road. So I'm pulling it over to the barn. Got a hand unloaded into a pile. Come back and grab another pile until it's all done. There's one big pile here, and then down over the hill, there's another small little field. There's probably going to be 2 or 3 more trailer full loads. Go ahead. All right, first load's off the trailer. Hee-haw. We got maybe 1.5. Well, it's going to be 2 loads, no doubt, with this and the remainder of what's up there in front of the skid steer. But we're going to try something on the next load, the one that he's getting ready to load on the trailer. So we put a rope here. So when we get up to the barn, he's going to hook this to the hitch on the back of the tractor. And then we're going to load the hay. And then we're going to take this piece and throw it up over the hay. And I should just be able to drive out while he's pulling on the rope on that end, and the hay should just come right out. That's the theory, and maybe I explained that wrong. Wouldn't be the first time, but yeah, man, it's hot, and It's a fair amount of hay to be pitchforking in this heat. But hey, I'm getting a good tan. Can you hear how crispy the hay is?
All right, here we go. It's either going to be amazing or total fail. Ha! Didn't even have to touch it. Awesome. So we didn't even have to touch it. I'm a damn genius. Take a rope and I'll take a rope. Come on. The brake on. Trailer. Yep. Move. Keep pulling one more. Don't get too far. Oh, there's a pile over here. I was thinking that.
Did you guys get to see any of that? Alright, so this is over here at the little field. It's little. I don't know how big it is, but maybe 50, 60, 70 yards-ish. So we're going to have to come back for this and this little bit that puked over the trailer. And then that is a wrap. Oh, thank God. Blessed beyond belief to have this done and this little bit extra.
Well, there it is. She is full. Full as I can get it anyways. So I'm pretty sure 2025 hay season is over for us. Nowhere to put it if we did get more. I don't know. I mean, this field here is definitely, you know, if we keep getting rain and everything, I don't know. I don't know where I'd put it, to be honest with you. So it's one thing if you have a baler, but we don't have a baler, so you can't let loose hay out. And I don't have any way to cover it that it won't get wet. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. You never seen anybody do hay like we do. See you in the next one.